Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to change game control in the KartRider drift. So first of all you have to just tap on the settings icon at the very top right corner and then click on the add friend button here. After doing so you will find here the recommended friends. You have to just click on the one which you want to add in your friend list and again click on the add friend. After doing so you can see that your friend request has been sent. So after that you will find here this type of the interface. Just click on the control and then select the settings that you want to change and then click on the reset. After doing so you have to just click on the setting that you want to change and then minimize or maximize it and set it according to your requirements. After doing so you have to just click on the save and doing so your game control has been changed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel at me guide. Thanks for watching.